Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel New Tech Made Easy. Today, I'm excited to talk about the powerful combination of Bing Cortana integration. For artificial intelligence enthusiasts, this integration offers a seamless experience where Cortana can control your devices and assist you in getting things done, while Bing provides you with the necessary information to make informed decisions. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Bing Cortana integration and provide you with some valuable tips on leveraging this combination to your advantage. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, ensure that both Bing and Cortana are installed on your device. If Bing isn't installed, you can easily download it from the Microsoft Store. Similarly, if Cortana isn't enabled, head to your device's settings, navigate to Cortana, and enable it by selecting Turn on Cortana. Once you have both Bing and Cortana installed, it's time to link them together. Open Cortana and locate the settings icon. Click on it and select Linked Services. From there, choose Bing to initiate the linking process. To complete the linking process, you'll be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account. Once you've successfully signed in, Bing and Cortana will be integrated and ready to work together. With Bing and Cortana now linked, you can start leveraging their combined power. For instance, you can ask Cortana to perform searches using Bing's robust search engine. Additionally, Cortana can assist in controlling your devices, whether it's setting alarms, playing music, or executing various commands. Here are a few tips to maximize the benefits of Bing Cortana integration. 1. Use natural language. When interacting with Cortana, it's best to speak naturally and conversationally. Cortana is designed to understand and respond to human-like language. By avoiding overly robotic or formal speech, you can enhance the accuracy of Cortana's understanding and increase the chances of receiving the desired results. Instead of using stilted commands, try phrasing your requests as if you were asking a question or talking to a person. For example, instead of saying, "Search for weather forecast," you can say, "Hey Cortana, what's the weather like today?" Speaking naturally can create a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. 2. Be specific. To ensure you receive the most relevant information from Bing, it's important to be as specific as possible when making requests to Cortana. Clearly articulate what you are looking for or the action you want Cortana to perform. Being specific helps Cortana narrow down the search results and provide you with precise information. For instance, if you want to find a nearby Italian restaurant, instead of saying, "Find restaurants," try saying, "Hey Cortana, find Italian restaurants near me." By specifying the cuisine, you increase the likelihood of getting results that match your preferences. 3. Device control. One of the significant advantages of Bing Cortana integration is Cortana's ability to control your devices. You can leverage voice commands to perform various tasks, such as setting alarms, playing music, adjusting device settings, and more. For example, you can say, "Hey Cortana, set an alarm for 7 a.m. or "Hey Cortana, play my workout playlist." Cortana acts as a virtual assistant, allowing you to interact with your devices hands-free and simplifying everyday tasks. By taking advantage of Cortana's device control capabilities, you can streamline your routine and make your life more convenient. Whether you want to turn on your smart lights, schedule appointments, or check your calendar, Cortana is there to assist you. That concludes today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up Bing Cortana integration and discovering how to make the most of this powerful combination. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more artificial intelligence tutorials and exciting content. Thank you for watching.